In the construction industry, collaboration and accuracy are everything. Whether you're reviewing architectural drawings, marking up shop drawings, or comparing revisions, your ability to communicate clearly and quickly can impact project timelines and profitability. That's where Bluebeam Revu comes in. Bluebeam Revu is more than just a PDF viewer. It's an industry standard markup and collaboration tool tailored for construction and design professionals. From project managers to estimators, Revu helps teams simplify drawing management, increase markup accuracy, and maintain version control, all in real time. In this video, we'll highlight the most powerful features of Bluebeam Revu and explain why it remains a trusted tool across architecture, engineering, and construction teams. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the industry-specific markup tools. Bluebeam Revu provides a rich library of markup tools specifically designed for AEC workflows. You can add text, callouts, revision clouds, measurements, and even custom symbols, all with customizable line weights, colors, and layers. You can also create tool sets that match your company's standards and reuse them across projects. This allows teams to standardize how they communicate on drawings, reducing confusion and speeding up the review cycle. Everyone knows exactly what each symbol and markup means, minimizing the risk of costly miscommunication. Another key feature is the measurement and estimation tools. Revu includes built-in tools for taking accurate measurements from PDF drawings. You can measure length, area, volume, perimeter, angles, and even count specific items like windows or doors. Calibration ensures your scale is correct, and the markup list keeps all quantities organized in a single spreadsheet style view. Estimators can produce detailed takeoffs directly from digital drawings. No need for printouts or third-party software. This saves time, reduces waste, and helps ensure consistent bid accuracy. Another key feature is the studio sessions for real-time collaboration. With Bluebeam Studio sessions, multiple users can mark up the same PDF simultaneously, no matter where they are. Each user's name, color, and timestamp are tracked, allowing full visibility into who said what and when. You don't need to send back and forth emails or wait for updates. Remote teams, subcontractors, and stakeholders can collaborate live on drawings without delays. It eliminates version control issues and dramatically shortens approval and review cycles. Another key feature is the document comparison and overlay. Revu's Compare Documents tool highlights every change between two drawing sets, even if the revisions are subtle. You can also use the Overlay Pages feature to stack drawings by color and instantly spot shifts in walls, dimensions, or notes. Detecting discrepancies early means fewer surprises during construction. Teams can identify scope changes faster and communicate them to stakeholders before they become costly errors. Another key feature is the digital stamps, signatures, and PDF management. You can apply standardized stamps such as approved, void, or for review, and even sign documents electronically with password protection. Revu also includes features for batch processing, bookmarking, splitting, and combining PDFs, ideal for managing plan sets and submittals. This reduces paperwork, speeds up approvals, and keeps your documentation organized for audits, billing, or inspections. So, why is Bluebeam Revu a great choice? What sets Bluebeam Revu apart is its precision and depth, purpose-built for construction and design. It's not just a markup tool, it's a communication platform that aligns teams and documents around a shared visual language. In 2025, Revu continues to improve its cloud integration through Bluebeam Cloud, which allows teams to access key workflows like punch, RFIs, and submittals from any device. Its integration with other tools like Procore, SharePoint, and Dropbox means you can keep using your existing project management systems while layering in Revu's markup precision. It's especially helpful in projects where tight coordination and constant drawing revisions are the norm. Whether you're reviewing a punch list, measuring steel beams, or validating as-builts, Revu streamlines your process with tools tailored to construction. And with multiple license types, from Revu Core to Revu Complete, you can scale usage to match your team's needs. So basically, Bluebeam Revu is a trusted partner for construction professionals who need clarity, speed, and accuracy in their document workflows. It helps teams stay coordinated, catch errors early, and deliver better results on time and on budget. So, if you're ready to move away from paper-based markups and disjointed revisions, Bluebeam Revu offers a comprehensive platform to elevate how your team reviews, collaborates, and communicates. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.